What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna review project within real life utility, and this is not just a regular DGen project or PFP or gaming or anything like that. This project is gonna have actual business plan in real life. But before I share the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And the project, it's called Hanghouse and real life business Web3 tokens. So if we scroll down a little bit, as you can see, what is a Hanghouse? Hanghouse will tokenize real life business. Our first venture is, you guessed, chickens. So in real life utility, it's actually going to be chickens. And let's dive deep into it a little bit. So one of their first tweets was Hanghouse grocery list, and in real life utility, and in real life revenue generating business, realistic achievable map, docs founders, and affordable mint price, partnership established pre-mint. And I had actually opportunity to speak to a founder of this project. He's also a very successful founder of multiple other businesses previously. Let's go into their Discord really quick. We're gonna take a look at a couple things that they already have done before even minting. If we're gonna go to the project information, I'm gonna read this really quick. We here at the Hanghouse believe NFT technology tokenizing assets on Web3 is complicated enough. So we are going to make it super simple here. We are already own land in El Salvador. Before even launching actual project, they already invested and purchased land. So a lot of stuff already been done on the back end. We have developed a business plan that allows for you, the holder, to grow as we grow. And then chickens are phase one, mint an egg that hatches into a chicken and you're done. We do the rest. There will be opportunities for you to increase production of your chickens. More on this soon. So just really quick, as you can see, phase one is going to be chickens. Phase 2, 3, and 4, it's gonna be something else. I'm sure they got a lot more exciting plans they can't just announce yet. And then let's go into their sneak peeks really quick. And if we scroll up a little bit, this is one of the videos from their land that they purchased. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, as you can see right here, this is the picture from the land that they purchased in El Salvador. This is where all chickens gonna live. And here's a couple things. So minting is gonna be in the Q4, and to start out, each NFT holder will own roughly from 3 to 5 chickens, and the numbers will increase in the future. So in the future, once the company is going to be expanding, they're going to be adding more assets or chickens into their business, then your chicken number is going to grow. Also at the same time, if we go back to their tweets, this one right here, partnership established pre-mint. So that's mean they already been in a contact with local grocery stores and they're partnering with them. They're going to be selling eggs to some of their local grocery stores, and then each NFT holder will be rewarded on monthly basis through soft staking. There's also going to be tokenomics in their system or in their ecosystem. They're not announcing which token is going to be used. And they're also going to have monthly buyback mechanism or strategy. And at the same time, as you can see what this project is actually doing. So this is like kind of like a 3-in-1, providing jobs, selling product, making money, and rewarding holders at the same time. So most likely value of the NFT is just going to be keep going up and up and up. And if we go back to their Discord, project info, as you can see, there's also phase 2, 3, and 4. Nothing is announced yet, but you can just only imagine that they're going to be bringing more in real life utilities. And most likely, if you are owner of phase 1, you'll have better opportunity for phase 2, 3, and 4. And this is pretty much it. This is just a quick overview of this project. And there is still opportunity to get a whitelist spot. If, for example, you go to their Discord and then you go to giveaway channel, they are doing some giveaways on their channel, and they also collabing with different alpha groups. So either follow them on their Twitter, or if you in some kind of alpha groups that providing whitelist spot, you probably will have opportunity to pick one up, and at the same time there's always going to be a chance to get one on secondary market. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna leave link to this project in the description below, and thanks for watching.